Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on a modded Switch. First, ensure your modded Switch is updated and ready for homebrew applications. You'll need a specific adapter or software to bridge the connection. We'll cover the essential components and the initial setup steps to get your PlayStation 4 controller working seamlessly with your Nintendo Switch, enhancing your gaming experience with a familiar feel. To begin, you'll need a compatible Bluetooth adapter, like a Mayflash Magic NS or an 8-bit DO adapter, which plugs into your Switch. Crucially, your modded Switch must be running the latest custom firmware, such as Atmosphere. Additionally, install the Mission Control Homebrew application. This software is vital for recognizing and managing external controllers, making the connection possible. Now, let's pair your controller. Plug your chosen Bluetooth adapter into your Nintendo Switch's USB-C port or its dock. Next, put your PlayStation 4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the Share button and the PlayStation button until the light bar flashes rapidly. Then, navigate through Mission Control on your Switch to finalize the connection, confirming successful pairing by testing all inputs. If you encounter any issues, first try restarting both your Nintendo Switch and the PlayStation 4 controller. Always ensure your Bluetooth adapter's firmware is current for the best performance and compatibility. For a stable connection, keep your devices within approximately 10 feet of each other. Finally, remember to fully charge your PlayStation 4 controller before long gaming sessions to avoid interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.